They're getting close, Colby.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. And you got to make sure that, your dogs, you bring your pets in.
Your
Because,
children.
Your children. Bring everybody in.
All those wild animals running around your home.
I want to know what the geese were saying. They were real talkative. I could hear them out there. So. But they like this type of cold weather, don't they?
I would have thought so, but...
It's going to be really cold, though, Damon.
Maybe we should go back out to Colby and ask him again. Be like, what were they saying? But it will be getting cold as we go into this evening. But this cold front's going to be different. As this cold air comes in, it's not going to be an immediate drop in temperatures. Instead, it's just going to be like a drip that just keeps getting colder and colder and colder. So right now, 59 degrees in Oklahoma City, barely hanging on to the 60s for a little bit longer for Edmond, War Acres, Yukon, mid-60s. Look at Fort Cobb right now, 66 degrees. 70 in Lawton, 70s down to the south. And so here comes the colder air. And again, this is not going to be an immediate drop in temps like we can sometimes get out here. Case in point, 61 in Watonga, 48 in Cherokee. So we're just going to keep pushing this cooler air down to the south. And so Pauls Valley are in the 50s right now. That'll be headed out of here. But look at how far north this cold air extends. It goes all the way up into Canada there. So this could be a big deal. We're going to feel these temperatures, below freezing for, quite some time. So 20 to 25 for Woodward, Alva, Clinton, 27 here in Oklahoma City. It's cold, it's windy, but look, 27's a low. Average low is 27 degrees. This cold that's coming in tonight, where are you going to feel it? You're not going to really feel it until tomorrow afternoon when our temperatures do not warm up at all. We only get up to 32 degrees in the afternoon. So we never get above freezing tomorrow. A little bit of snow flurries coming in here, but 20s up in northwestern Oklahoma. But as I mentioned before, we just keep dropping these temperatures more and more and more. And so going into Sunday and Monday, it will be getting even colder out there. As far as snow chances look for tomorrow, look, it's looking really, really low. Other than a flurry or two trying to pop up across western Oklahoma, most of the snow there stays all the way out into both the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle. For Sunday, temperatures keep getting colder, upper 20s to 30 degrees, Enid to OKC, Stillwater to Clinton. So temperatures are cold on Sunday, and the wind chills are going to make it feel even colder here. Look at these wind chills by brunch or lunch on Sunday. It's going to feel like 1 to 3 above zero from OKC, Stillwater to Ponca City. So some pretty serious cold out here. And we're going to stay cold for Monday and Tuesday before temperatures finally climb above freezing as we go into Wednesday. As far as snow chances look, Monday's snow chances look a little bit better than tomorrow's. Right now, still looking at a 60% chance of snow west of I-35 here, all the way out across western Oklahoma. And so when it comes to snow projections, though, this does not look like it's going to be that big of a snow event for us. It will be out across the Panhandle, 1 to 3 inches. But outside of that, about a dusting, an isolated 1-inch snow report in there. But given how cold it is, this will be a very dry, wispy snow that just blows around. So you're going to drip your faucets until Wednesday. Even after this cold air moves out of here, we're still going to keep this chilly weather with us for the rest of January. And we're not done with the strong cold fronts yet. We have more on the way as we go into February. So I hope you're able to enjoy the warm weather we had yesterday and today, because it'll be a while before you feel it again. Look at these highs for early next week. We're in the 20s, lows in the teens. And while temperatures do climb into the 40s for next week, again, by no means are we warm at all. We're still only hanging out in the mid 40s, which is still pretty cool. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.
All right. Thanks so much, Damon.